Alright. Here we come to the elevator at the Sears at the Southern Park Mall.
We got an elevator trio here. Hey!
This is a retake. We got a very narrow panel.
Yeah.
Used to be Montgomery GMP.
Yeah, this is the motor. Still says we're on 1. Oh, now it says we're on 2.
Sure takes a long time at leveling, you know. Man, I'm hot. Ugh.
You coming back down? Oh.
Oh, you just pulled the door closed on Ryan.
When you left.
Hey!
Nice wall. These lights. Got a Montgomery nameplate right here. It takes forever to say number 1. I wonder if he's coming back down the elevator or the escalator. I don't know where he is. Oh well.